And on my board, that's Brando, no one to that purple and black. No, this not a regular rap. I'm turn up the channel, no Brando, keep vids like some ammo, they barely prepare. Take a challenger right off the ice, all straight to the 1 to 100K, so got a share. And every time you hear Lamar, you know Brando just out the vid, we go Brando from her. Oh, the littest, YouTuber living, cause ain't no one living like this, so that's Brando done did it again. Would you be consistent? Would you draw that boat like a promo, bro, driving it cool like a stick? Oh, that's Brando the littest, YouTuber living.
What's going on YouTube, man? Everybody, oh, that's Brando, and I'm back with another video for y'all today, man. Hey, man, say, man, you see the vibes, man. Hey, it's great weather outside, man. 84 degrees, man, so it's beautiful to be outside. So that means if you in the house, bro, well, if you're in the house on a Saturday, bro, and it's 84 degrees, bro, that means you got no motion, bro. Like, that's crazy, bro. But anyways, before I even get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment. We're on the road to 10K, bro. 10K, we close to getting there. So you're gonna help me get there by subscribing to the channel. I'm lit. I drop every week, so you gotta hit that subscribe button. But anyways, I'm waiting on the broski to pull up, man. You know what I'm saying? If you watch my last week video, you know, so you saw the big ZL1 and shit. So my bro about to pull up. Once he pull up, we're gonna head to this car meet, you know what I'm saying? Kick shit, you know, network, a little bit of everything. And I'm gonna share what's out there, man. So like the video, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button. So once you get home, I'm gonna turn it back on. Let's go. So you see what's going on, man. Shout out to my boy Josh, man. Josh washed the whip, man. Got me right, man. Shout out to Josh. W to Josh. Got my boy over here too. We ain't gonna speak on that, but he got big shit coming on with that. You know what's going on, big ZL. That boy showing out. That boy showing out. Big ZL1. Like I said, that right there, y'all gonna see more content of that. I ain't gonna put him out there, but you know that shit gonna be hard too. And y'all know what's going on, man. It's only right. You know what I'm saying? Good wash, man. My boy got my car looking good. So we waiting on one more person, bro. Waiting on one more person. He's a little late, so I'm gonna give him about 10-15 minutes.
20 minutes later.
To get here, we're gonna go ahead and hit the road, and we're gonna slide to the event. Yes, sir. Golly, finally, bro, put up. God damn, boy, late ass. That nigga be late, bro. Hey, nigga, no more, bro. This my last time. But yeah, we about to head out, man. We about to roll out, go ahead and see our next location. Yo, listen, bro, listen. I want a ZL1 now, bro. Fuck a Hellcat. Fuck a GT 350-500, bro. This ZL1 is, bro, this shit, it scared me, bro, when this nigga hit the gas, bro. Like, I want a ZL1, bro. I'm done with Dodge. I want to go to Chevy, bro, because the ZL1, this shit is beautiful, bro. Like, oh my God, bro, just seeing that shit. I'm sorry, bro, I got y'all hype, bro, but I'm gonna do some content with the ZL1, man, so y'all stay tuned, man. But yeah, we're on the way to the location now. Once we get there, then, hey, I'm gonna turn it back on, man. Yes, sir. All right, bro, we just made it. That twin, if you know, you know, man. Big ZL1, you got twin right there, you feel me? Got a stain right there. A little something, like, we got here a little early, so I'm gonna turn it back on, man. Once everybody get here, I'm gonna show you what's out here. Hey, man. What's that? Bro, I had to get up out of there, bro. But y'all see you see the color popping, man. Color showing out. A little something light. People think it's black, bro, but it's not black, bro. It's like fluorescent. So you kind of see it if I can stand out the way. But anyway, man, we just got here, man. You see a little bit, the whole gang pulled up, a little bit of everything. It's, you know what's going on with that. You already know what's going on with that. Going on with that. Got a little bit of half and half right here, my boy, Dante. A little bit of everything, man, so, yeah. Can't correct. Hell yeah. Boy, look who pulled up, boy. Look who pulled up, boy. Hey, I get an autograph, bro. I'm a big fan of you, bro. I'm a big fan of you, bro. Can I get an autograph? That bitch still look good, boy. For real. Hey, man, I go ahead and tap in with my boy, man.
I mean, I think I should be asking you that, though.
Asking who what? Shit, I need an autograph from you. Do what you driving. Do what you driving. Custom rap, nigga. My shit not custom. My shit not custom, nigga. This shit custom. This bit tough, bro. On God, it be hard.
Y'all boy got the bread, especially.
God damn, I need an autograph, twin.
I'm broke, bro. I ain't got no money, bro. Come on, man. Oh, they been you got you.
Look who pulled up.
Oh, man.
Look who pulled up. What's up with you?
They got you on it.
Where everybody else at? They glazing you hard. They glazing you hard. Gang. What's up, twin?
Get up on your YouTube, bro.
Huh? Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Everybody shit. Nice ass. I don't know who's taking it, but oh, okay, Ryan about to take it. That bitch is hard though, but my boy Mooney showed out, boy. No cap. It be hard as fuck. Bro, what the fuck? My boy, you gotta look at him. Yeah, look at him. Yo, get the angles, boy. Yeah.
You got the
But like that,
Hey,
but
he
look
a
at
rich
him.
nigga, too.
Yeah, he a rapper. Okay. Oh, hold on. Okay.
He gave me 50K yesterday.
That boy, that's okay. Oh, she looking at you, boy. She looking Oh, hold on. She said she keeping it P.
Hey, only on Brando channel, shit get exclusive.
I'm telling y'all, bro. I got to subscribe to the channel, bro. Shit get wicked. Hey, we gotta move our cars though. Now, not me getting some attention. Hold up. Not me getting some attention. Look at Jade. My boy back in, Hitman. The best photographer in the city. No cap. Other than ADAP. You know I fuck with you, ADAP. We out of here. What y'all say about this, bro? What y'all say about that, bro? What y'all say about that, bro?
They must have issued the wrong license plate, honestly.
The boy said Z01 LOL, and he on Raiders. You gonna have to run that. You have to run that. Them boys out here with that shit, boy. Boy out here with that shit. Flip it everything. A little bit of everything out here. Type shit. What's a little bit of thing? This shit right here hard as fuck though. This bit hard. God. Yeah, this bit tough. Let me get in the doors. You got a Stain right here. You got a Hemi right here. You got a Nissan. Well, y'all see the vibes though, man. You got Brando, you know what I'm saying? You got Twin, Chrome Rap, my boy Josh, Z01 type shit. Y'all let me know what that is. I bet you gonna get the answer wrong. My boy right here, we got this sexy ass rap. It been hard, bro. It been hard, bro. Hey, what next, bro? Man, what about the rap? No more rap? You done with the rap? Why?
No, matter of fact. Hold on.
I do some dumb shit. Bro, where you going, bro? Where going, bro? What you doing next, bro?
I'm finna bite him.
You about to what?
Go and give him a walk around, I'm about to bite him.
So you about to take this rap?
I'm about to bite him.
You about to take?
I'm not gonna do purple though.
You're not gonna do purple, but you gonna do the concept though.
The concept.
Okay. You good. You know what I'm saying? Whole concept. I feel you, bro. But you gonna re-rap your shit though, right? The streets. One more time. Okay. Appreciate that. Then we going wide body. Hey man, so y'all gotta stay tuned, man. My boy about to get that rap. You feel me? But yeah, we out here on the light day. You see all the cars out here, type shit. Y'all go hit that subscribe button, man. I'm gonna show y'all some more shit. You feel me? But yeah, this Z01, I need one. I don't want no cap no more. I want a Z01. You feel me? So I'm gonna turn it back on, bro. Once we find another motion. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, yes sir, right? Yes sir.
Pop your shit, bro, for the vlog, bro. Pop your shit for the vlog, bro. Bro, you have a Mopar hat on, bro. You drive a Ford.
She gave me this shit.
No. There's no excuse, bro. You having a? I sleep. I need a picture, bro. I gotta take a picture of that, bro. Bro, see, this is another reason why I want a Z01. This is another reason why I want a Z01.
Look,
Hey man, you better let that. Hey man, you only live once, bro. You only live once, bro. Go ahead and enjoy that shit. Oh yeah, you do got that shit on. What the caption gonna be though? You don't know it. You gotta figure that out.
Twins, we got the cat, we got the scat,
Man, they don't know about that, bro. They don't know about that, bro. It's a Z01 attention. It's a Z01 attention, bro. He happy. That boy happy, yeah. Oh God, that boy getting that attention, boy. That boy lit. Hey, that's another reason why I want a Z01, boy. That boy getting attention. That boy getting ass. Oh God. Hey, y'all ready? All right, bet. All right, man. We with the gang right now, so we about to get some roller shots in on the highway. So shit. What you about to do? Hey, who's that? I said, God. Look at that nigga happy. Look at him. That boy turned. Oh shit. All right, bro, let's go ahead and go, bro.
It's on you.
All right. Damn, bro. Hey, I get an autograph, bro.
Yo, what going? My back end run back with another fucking banger, man.
Hey, you already said, bro.
Yeah. We having it our way, man. You feel me? We having it.
Talk your shit, man. Talk your shit, man.
Hey, tell him. Don't pull up on this shit. We go.
Ooh, Blick. Hey. hell you talking about? Boy, Blick got the whole motherfucking gang out here. That's all, bro. You see the vibe, man. The rolling shots in. Stop playing. Stop playing with game, boy. That's all. Got the whole game behind us. Shit on though. She got that shit on though. We still going on, man. We outside the game, man. Big Lex, you feel me? They said. They got a little bit of everything out here, man. Stop playing. Good footage, you feel me? A little bit of everything. Whole gang out here. They hit that subscribe button, dog. We in the middle of traffic getting y'all this type of footage, man. It's only right. Ain't like, bro, we just got back, you feel me, on a good little rollout. Ain't like Twin took some good ass pics though. They gotta tap in my mans, dog, for real. He fought the pics, but you see what's going on, man. Whole game pulled up type shit. And it's just a regular vlog. But it's really like a regular vlog in Atlanta, bro, type shit. Caught up the game, bro. We came out, bro, popped our shit, enjoyed it. Now look, bro, see what we do? It was a regular day. How you feel, bro? She trying to find Twin. We don't know where her Twin is. She right there, she in front of you.
Oh, that's a hot bitch.
Oh God, good at thumbnail.
They say Gresham already closed down.
Man, GP gonna shut it down. Man, this boy put on the show. Hit that bitch. Yeah, show me something, yeah. Show me something, yeah. Yeah. Show me something, yeah. Show me something, yeah. Oh yeah, show. Oh yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Ugly ass.
You annoying, bro.
But these folks out here showing their ass, boy. These folks out here showing their ass. Hold on, what? He got a cat?
Yeah,
You got a cat, motherfucker? You got a cat, motherfucker? Hit that shit again. Look at that cat, motherfucker. Damn. Gang. Come on, man. Right. That nigga show his. That bitch show his ass. That bitch twerking. That bitch twerking. Yeah, that's it. That's true. He true. He true. He true. Yo.
Hey, I say sound off.
Sound off.
Damn, bro.
Hit that bitch again, Twin. Hey, hit that bitch again. Hey, what? Ah, damn, boy.
I'm gonna have to put a Z in there. Oh, hell no.
Yeah, man, you gonna have to. Man, shit. On that hoe. That bitch. Yo, bro, that bitch tough. That bitch tough. Nigga, you got a switch on that hoe? Nigga, what the fuck? Yo. That bitch is loud. Bro, who drunk uncle is outside, nigga? That bitch gonna stay with a bottle of teleport.